Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to use one of the other fragrances in the Brambleberry Soiree collection, and that is the Rose Gold. And I wanted to come up with a different design. When I heard I was getting these fragrances in this collection, I was trying to starting to brainstorm what I wanted to do. And I wanted to come up with a design other than just bar soaps. I wanted to make sure I had an array of things. One of the things that I liked making is cupcakes, and I haven't done any of those in a while. There are none of those in the shop, so that is what I'm going to be doing with this fragrance. I have here some Fool's Gold mica. This is from Soapbox Micas, and then that's going to be the base. The icing I am going to do, oh, that's the Eco Glitter. There, close enough. The Raspberry Mica by Brambleberry, and then I'll top it off with the pink Eco Glitter on the icing bits. The cupcake molds I am using, these are new. I have never used these before, and so I thought they had a really pretty design, and they're even a pretty pink. Everything's like pink and gold going on here. I have added my colorant to my batter, and I'm going to go ahead and give that a mix. Add in my lye solution, and then it's going to be as simple as pouring it into those cupcake liners. So I have mixed in that rose gold fragrance. I'm going to read off the notes to you that are on Brambleberry's description on their website. And it says it is a sweet and soft mix of coconut, candy apple, raspberry, red currant, tulip, freesia, heliotrope, rose, cashmere musk, vanilla, and amber. So there's a lot of notes in this fragrance, and to me it is very perfumey. It is more perfumey than it is food related, even though I am doing cupcakes with these. I thought about celebrations and soirees and brunches and some of the food that you might have when you host something like this, and cupcakes were one of the things, and some of the pictures off of Brambleberry's website reminded me of just what the foods I like to eat, like donuts and cupcakes. Not that I eat these things, because, you know, I don't need all these calories, but cupcakes are fun, and I just thought I would make this fancy, blingy, brunchy, basic looking cupcake. And I'm loving these little molds too. I think they're going to make a really pretty design. And I'm going to go ahead and scrape out my bowl and to continue on filling up these molds. And then I'll go get the icing together. I'm going to use the whipped icing recipe that I use for most of my cupcakes and cake and donut inspired soaps. So let me go get that together. So these are the embeds that are going to go on these cupcakes, like the donuts I was speaking of. I will leave a link below of where I got the mold from. And then I just went ahead and drizzled them with some melt and pour I colored with pink, and some of those, what are they called? Those bursting beads. the gold, the pink, and the white bursting beads came in the kit. And I used the white on the donuts. And then I have these little gold paper straws, little rose gold paper straws. I thought that would be fun. You got to represent the drinks. And then I have these melt and pour gold diamonds that I'm going to put on the top. And then use the gold bursting beads to sprinkle on the top of the cupcakes as well. So I'm going to start off by putting some dollops on the middle of each one of these cupcakes. Then I'll refill my icing bag, and we'll just start piling these up and putting on these really pretty embeds. Some fancy cupcakes. There's a better view. I like that. It's usually where I stand. Alright, let's just get some icing on these. These are going to be so cute. I really am excited about the shape these are going to be when I take off that liner. I like these much better than the other ones I was using. But these were a gift from my neighbor across the street. It actually came from IKEA, from the according to the bottom of them, they came from IKEA. But my neighbor across the street, her and her daughter really like watching all of my creations. And so I just find random things inside of my mailbox, like these cupcake liners. I found a 5-pound bag of citric acid in my mailbox. I'm sure the mailman was like, what in the world is this? I found bath bomb molds. I found these cupcake molds. Just never know what I'm going to find when I open up my mailbox. I'm going to refill my icing bag. Alright, now to put the rest of the stuffs on here, I'm going to start by putting on these little diamond shapes as my little toppers. And then we'll just stick the donuts and the straws on the side and sprinkle on glitter, of course, and some of those gold bursting beads. And we'll call it a day. But I think I'm going to have to give my... Am I a diamond short here? I think I am. Speaking of which, I'm going to have to give my neighbor one of these cupcakes as thank you for all of the things that she's been surprising me with in my mailbox. I think that would be a really nice thing to do. Since I am using these cupcake liners, I've used the citric acid. I'm really appreciative of all of those things, so I'm gonna have to give her a cupcake. I didn't mean to make this many, I guess, because I'm missing all the decorations for that cupcake over there, so I'm gonna find some special things to put on that one. Good job, Tiara. Alright, and then the straws. I do have enough straws. That's all you get, Cupcake. You just get a straw. And then my bursting beads. These are just so cute, you guys. I absolutely adore these cupcakes. I think they turned out so adorable. Look at that. So much fun. Guys, I am so picky with real cupcakes, though. I like making them, but if I'm going to eat one that's store-bought, it better be good. Has to be made from scratch, the icing and everything. And my favorite cupcake store is called Flavor Cupcakery. They have 2 locations in Maryland, and they were on that show Cupcake Wars. But they always have different flavors every single day. They always have some kind of special flavor. They just recently did like Game of Thrones cupcakes too. That was really neat. I didn't get any of those because it is a bit of a drive for me to get them. Plus, I really don't need to be eating cupcakes. I am lucky I don't live any closer than I do to Flavor Cupcakery because I would have cupcakes every single day. And being that I only hit the gym maybe twice a week, I don't think I should be eating cupcakes. And then I don't even know how I started hitting the gym. I'm going to blame Bradley for that one. He somehow convinced me to go to the gym twice a week. We're those kind of people that have a gym membership and pay for it but don't go. So we started going twice a week. I don't have an excuse anymore, you know. I quit my job and I'm just staying home and making soap. I have to do other things now that I didn't want to. Even if it is just 45 minutes on the elliptical, don't judge me. It's better than what I was doing before. Alright, I'm going to give these a spray with a rubbing alcohol. I'm going to get the pink glitter, that pink eco glitter. And I'm going to sprinkle some of that on there. I'm going to let these sit for 24 hours and then we'll come back and unmold them. And I think they just look fabulous. These guys have been sitting for like a week now, so they're definitely ready to be unmolded. No rush on that, but I'm just kind of like pulling on each side here and using my fingers at the bottom to just kind of push up, and it pops right out of there. Easy peasy. Get you an up close look of all the detail on there. See those bursting beads and that really cute donut and the rose gold straw and the little diamond on top and the gold and the pink. So So I'm really happy with how these turned out. These are going to be available in the Etsy shop on the next shop update, which will be on June 21st. So if you want to get your hands on one of these, or I'm distracted there, or any of the other soaps you've seen me make so far, like the lavender and chamomile, the turtle soap, the gumball machine, the werewood tree, those are all in the shop on June 21st. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, why haven't you subscribed yet? You've gotten this far. Any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. Love chatting with you all. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later.